Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change Play Store account password on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, your Play Store account is often linked to your Android device. Changing your password ensures that your device remains secure and prevent unauthorized access to your device through your account. So, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to go to the profile icon at the top right corner. Well, after that, here you can select Manage your Google account. And here, please choose Personal Info. Then you can scroll down. So, select Password. Then, before changing your email password, you will be asked to enter your old password. If so, please click Next. Then enter your new password. And confirm your new password here. After that, you can click the change password and wait a minute. Okay, so the Google Play Store account password on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change Play Store account password on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.